Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, June 18th. And I'm going to let you guys know, as always, what we did today. In the room, we had a lot of trades. So they didn't go very far, except for we had a nice one in the NASDAQ. A couple of nice ones in the NASDAQ, actually. I mean, we're pretty range bound today. If you look at this, kind of choppy. We concentrated on longs for the most part. We did have a short in the NASDAQ that was probably one of our better trades. But we got long in the ES on the 1009 candle right here. The price was 3100 quarter, 3100 quarter. Okay, and that trade made up to 4 points there. And then we got long at 7 quarter, and I told everybody on this long, because we were looking at some other levels and stuff like that. On these longs, I said, you're going to take everything off except for one at a point. Okay, and it's just the way it is, because this is either going to follow through or it's going to be small, and I don't want to give back and try to have a break even if we can avoid it. Now, if you have a one contract, you made a point. If you had two and you wanted to hold one, you didn't want to get completely out and scalp, that's understandable. You had a break even. 3, 4, 5, 6 contracts, 7 contracts. I said, take everything off except for one, and we'll hold one to see. So we made a little bit of money there. We hit it again. We made a point there. Didn't make too much, but, we knew how to play that. I was willing to do that in case it got up to these higher levels, but it looked pretty tough. And in the NASDAQ, we pounded the NASDAQ 3 times on one trade, at 945. We hit this thing at 83.50. It went up, over 15 ticks. And it was the same issue because they were going to try to keep this thing negative today. People were asking me about the ES, so I actually switched to the ES over here. And you'll notice this one hit our targets over here. We were in the ES, so we didn't get that much, but that's fine. But here we hit this thing literally 3 times. It went 15 ticks. It came down. It went all the way down. Came up again on the same candle. We hit it 3 times for up to 15 ticks. It was a pretty good trade, actually. If you hit it more than one time. And then we hit it again on the 1009 candle, and that time it went up further. It went from 83.50 up to 91.75, 91.50, so about 30 ticks there. And then we hit a short, which was a beautiful trade, at 34.50 on the 1036 candle right here. See this red arrow, 34.50. And that trade made 40 ticks quick. I mean, within seconds, it was like boom, 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 targets filled. Basically we had an exhaustion down there. It didn't have to go any further, and we talked about that. So, it's a good day. I mean, we didn't have any losing trades. We got a lot more entries than normal. Not a lot more, but more than normal. But, they just didn't go quite as far. The market's pretty much, this is flat right here. 83 right here, and it basically tried to get positive all morning, got there in the NASDAQ, and then in the ES, kind of like the same thing, pretty choppy, but we got a lot of points in that chop. So and again, no losers. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. You get 25 hours of trading calls, analysis, questions, etc. And then you can join our trading call room if you just want the call outs and help with trade management, or you can join our mentorship academy if you'd like to learn to trade and be more consistent. So hope to see everybody in the room. Contact us, www.futurestradingcoach.com, join the trial, or use the contact form. We're happy to answer any questions. And you can also request a call back if you'd like. See everybody. Bye-bye.